This is Vivek Kumar Pansari, and today I'm going to teach you Python from zero to hero. So here's the module one. We're going to be introducing the Python programming, and our goals are to understand what is programming, why Python is popular, how to install Python and the code editor, and write their first program like print hello world. Okay, so let's come to the first topic. What is programming? See, programming is basically a process of giving instructions to a computer. Computers do not understand human language, so we write programming languages. A program is a set of instructions which tells what computer wants have to do. Supposingly, for example, think of it a delivery person. If you don't give him a clear and correct instructions, they might get lost. Similarly, in in programming, clear and precise instructions are needed to give to the computer to execute tasks. So basically, key takeaways are computer follows exact instructions. Python is programming is how we tell computers what to do. Python is one of the easiest and most popular language to start with. Now, let's come to why Python. So, why we choose Python? It's easy to learn. Its syntax is very simple and readable, widely used in web development, AI, machine learning, data science, automation, etc. And it's very beginner friendly. Okay, so here's Python versus other languages. Features: readability, easy, speed of learning fast, use cases, web, AI, ML. Java, it's very complex. Speed of learning is medium. In C++, it's also complex, and the speed of learning is very slow. But the use cases are very widely variety. Now we come to fun fact. Python is used by companies like Google, Instagram, Netflix, and NASA. So it's widely used. Now, how to set up a Python? So in order to set up Python, we need to first install the Python. So let's go to the Python org. Here we go to download Python, the latest version. Okay, and for for this I'm using Mac OS, so it's going to be Mac OS compatible. Let's download this. Okay, we have downloaded it. Now let's open this up. Okay, now let's continue. Let's read it, continue, then continue. Let's agree. Now let's install it. Okay, so as I have already installed it, I'm not going to install again. Just install and then finish. Okay, so that's how we do the installation. Then let's install a code editor, which I would recommend VS Code. So let's go download the VS Code. I'm going to download it for the Mac OS version. Direct download link. Yeah, it's getting downloaded. Yeah, it's already downloaded. Now let's unzip it and let's just use it. Yes. So this is our VS Code. Now Let's use the terminal. Let's type this Python dash dash version. Sorry, we are using Python 3. So let's type this. It's 3.9.6. So I am all using the old version. You can download the latest version, which is 3.11.2. Now let's come to writing our first program, first Python program. So let's start that. Let's make a folder. Let's make a new folder here. Python course. Okay. Let's open that folder. Let's create our first program. First program dot py, and let's write print hello world. Now let's run this. You can simply run from here, and here you can see the hello world is printed. So we do not have to terminate this. We can use that, but we do not have to. We do not need to put a semicolon at the end. Python doesn't require that, so it's so easy. So here we have done the first program. We have written our first Python program. So in summary, basically, programming is giving instructions to the computer. Python is easy to learn. It's widely used and great for beginners. Okay, installing Python and VS Code allow you to write Python programs. We know that. And lastly, the print function helps us to print the text on the screen. In the next module, I'll teach you Python basics such as variables, data types, user inputs, and all that. I hope you like this first module. I'll see you in the next class.